Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today, we're addressing QuillBot, which is an AI-powered writing tool designed to make rewriting, summarizing, and editing text fast and effortless. Its standout feature is the paraphraser, viewed right here, which can rework sentences in multiple styles, whether you want something formal, simpler, or completely restructured. Now, beyond paraphrasing, QuillBot also includes a grammar checker, plagiarism detector, a citation generator, and even a summarizer. And all of them work comprehensively awesomely, which is not a word. Anyone handling large amounts of text, it's a great toolkit for students, researchers as well. Its free plan gives you a basic access with limited modes, but the premium, which is around $10 a month, unlocks faster processing, more rewriting options, and full access to its productivity tools. The main trade-off is that it's great for rephrasing academic use, but it rewrites sometimes mechanically if you don't tweak it. And it's not as strong for real-time editing as tools like maybe Grammarly. So if you need a versatile tool to paraphrase, summarize, and handle citations all in one place, QuillBot absolutely delivers. Just be ready to fine-tune its output for the most natural results.